Hi, I'm Kevin. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some work to hopefully repair this, the boot, which has fallen from my gear shifter knob. And I'm going to be using some prying tools to lift this up and hopefully reattach it. So I was able to pry this up. There's two clips in the front here, two clips on the side. And when I got these two clips off, I pushed the boot forward because these are kind of fixed underneath. So there's a black plastic ring. I'm going to try and, say, wedge that in so that the leather stays. And now I'm going to slide this on. So this white plastic component, it basically the only way to slide it onto the shifter shaft here. This is because the top of it's rectangular, so there's only one way to do that. So I've got that aligned now, and I'm gonna first, these two clips in the back have to go in, so I'm pushing back on it to get those in. Okay, and that's it back on.